datang. Welcome to Jakarta.
Good morning, distinguished guests.
Indonesia is very unique country. The number 4, the biggest country in the world. To all participants, be saying Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, I declare workshop on implementation of meritocratic principle through talent management is officially open.
Pure civil exam.
So if you guys have initiative to generate image that meets and likes compositions,
I'm interested in the presentation
because the data in talent management is
according to agreement.
I think it's important that it's not just the work team that is.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Rizky Surya Putra.
Yes, from ASEAN Member States and also from China, Korea.
We not only have to address our internal challenges, but we have to address.
But one thing that hasn't changed is the connection.
Management serves as a key instrument to ensure.
In Indonesia, actually, we also have a framework.
From every survey that we gather, this quiz is exclusive for only the overseas delegation. So raise your hand if you think you can answer the question.
Actually, it's very interesting to know that Indonesia Public Service have a system, talent management. It's called SIMATA, because it's related to what we discuss here. It is about merit-based system that we should have in our organization.
We actually kind of impressed because Indonesia already moved forward creating that apps. I mean, maybe we could enhance the app by portraying the talent development, the development part of for people who's been identifying as a high potential. Okay, so I think it's a very good move, and we would like to see further improvement from the SIMATA.
SIMATA is an amazing application. We know that how BKN manage all of the ASEAN potential talent, and then through this application, we can identify which talent that can be promoted at the specific area or a specific field. About dashboard, we know that we can see a lot of data here, especially for the ASEAN data. So we can identify which part that need workforce or ASEAN to work over there. So for example, in some specific sectoral bodies, for example, engineering or doctor, in which region that need this specific field or this specific area.
It's a good workshop. It is interesting. It was exposing to other AMS. We see there's a talent management application used.
I think this event is very important. It will bring us together, to sit together, to learn.
It's timely to discuss and also relevant to discuss in this workshop.
This discussion is combined with very excited and very knowledgeable experiences from different ASEAN member state.
This is a very good activity because it provides an opportunity for the ACCM member states to collaborate and share our best practices on talent management.
And we would like to thank NCSA Indonesia for organizing the workshop and for inviting us to this platform.
We have many leadership development program for young talent, and we try to make sure that capable officers get the real opportunity to contribute to the civil service.
And as for the theme of this workshop, I think it's very important to build a more accountable and competent and efficient government.
So it has been intellectually stimulating and personally inspiring. So thank you for inviting me.
By this workshop, we want to know what kind of framework or what kind of a specific system that we, especially in the ASEAN member state, use to manage their people, their talent.
We're really thrilled to be here today and to join the ASEAN ACCSM +3 workshop, and very pleased that Australia's been invited. The hosts, BKN and Indonesia, have been amazing hosts. Already we've had this morning a lot of discussions and presentations from experts in the field about how to deal with merit-based principles and talent management.
So basically we have a